In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Trello notification settings to receive fewer emails. If you're finding that your inbox is getting overwhelmed with Trello notifications, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's dive into how you can manage your email notifications directly from Trello. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on that to get started. If you're already logged in, you might skip this step. Assuming you clicked on login, you now have the option to enter your email and password or use your Google account for convenience. This flexibility makes it easy to get into Trello without much hassle, so choose whichever option works best for you. Once logged in, you'll see your Trello dashboard. From here, the next step is to focus your attention on the Boards tab, which is usually prominently displayed on your home page. Click on it to view all your available Trello boards. With your boards visible, your next focus should be on the Your Workspaces section. By clicking here, you'll be taken to a list of all the workspaces you have access to. This is a centralized place where all your collaborative efforts reside, making it easy to find the board you want to adjust notifications for. Once you've selected the specific board you're interested in managing, you may then notice your profile icon. It's generally situated in the upper right corner, so go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select Settings from this menu. In the Settings section, you'll find a variety of options. What you're looking for specifically is related to email notifications, so locate the email frequency drop-down menu. Once there, you can select the periodically option if you prefer to receive fewer emails. But if you'd like to eliminate them altogether, choose the never option. Further customization is available. You can also choose to click on Select None if there are particular notifications you want to ensure you do not receive. Conversely, Select All is an option if you find yourself needing more insight into your Trello activities. Another customizable route is choosing specific notifications that matter most to you, enabling you to truly tailor your Trello email updates to suit your needs. And that's it, you've now successfully adjusted your notification settings on Trello. With these changes, your inbox should begin to feel a little less cluttered, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more tech tips or questions, feel free to ask.